Okay, how to assemble the Shakuhachi 3D printed. First of all, remove the Z seams with sandpaper. The outer and the inner. And then try the fit. If it's too hard, always sandpaper to make it perfectly tight. This is perfect. And then I'm using daily hand cream as a lubricant, and it blocks the air leaks. And helps to assemble it and to remove it again. So this is perfect fit. Now I will do the same for each joint. And that's it for the first play. It should work. So this is just printed, assembled, and it works. Now it should need some more work. You can sandpaper the whole outside to look pretty, and you may sandpaper the inside and use hard wax oil for the inside. That makes the sound much better. You can see in my other videos the sound, but this works. If it's hard for you to play with the raw utaguchi, you may use something to make the inner bevel like this. It helps you at the beginning. So enjoy.